And the storms last night left a long trail of damage in their wake, including uprooted trees and damage to many homes. 2 News reporter Dana Smith joins us live tonight from Clark County, where the cleanup is also now underway.
I'm right here in a mobile home park right in New Carlisle. Well, I can show you exactly the type of damage that this storm has caused. As you can see, heavy winds actually picked up this tree and sent it crashing into this mobile home. And further up in New Carlisle, it was a close call for family there. They say they arrived home just after large trees came crashing into their driveway and yard. Tonight, they're grateful no one was injured.
Several trees littered the yard of a home on South Palmer. With chainsaws in hand, homeowner Francisco Green worked in his yard, clearing away the massive branches. Green and his family were at their son's high school graduation when the storm hit. They realized just how bad the wind was when they started the drive home and had to avoid debris blocking the streets. The winds tore shingles off their home and sent a tree crashing into their backyard barn. Green said he expects he'll be cleaning up the damage until sunset and perhaps even beyond that. He said he's never seen anything quite like it.
Well, we were certainly shocked. I think we were all appreciative that we weren't here at the time, and we thought about how close it could have been. There's tree damage all around, and especially in the area, the vicinity around the house and the barns. We were very glad that no one got injured. And the driveway had several trees down all the way through, so it would have been pretty bad had we been here.
Coming up at 6, these homes were left unlivable by the storm, and I spoke with the owners of the home, and I'll tell you how they plan to recover. Live in New Carlisle, Dana Smith, 5 on 2.